Here we will see comprehension in Python. Comprehension in Python provides a concise and expressive way to create lists, dictionaries and sets. It allows you to generate these data structures in a single line of code, which make your code more readable and efficient. It reduces the code size without affecting its readability. Benefits of using comprehensions are: it requires fewer lines of code to express the same concept. It transforms iterative code into more readable one-liner. And most of the time it is space efficient than the iterative for loop variant. There are 4 types of comprehensions in Python are available. First, list comprehension, which is an easy to read, compact and elegant way of creating a list from an existing iterable object. Then dictionary comprehension. It is used to create a new dictionary from an existing sequence of key value pairs or other iterables. Set comprehension, which is used to create a new set, automatically eliminating duplicate entries from an existing iterable. And generator comprehension, which is used to create a generator that produces items one at a time. This is more memory efficient than creating an entire list in memory, especially for large data sets. There are some limitations for comprehension. First, readability and complexity. Simple comprehensions are easy to read and understand, but as logic gets complex, it is difficult to understand, such as nested comprehension or when comprehension extends beyond Python's recommended line length, that is 80 characters. At this time, a traditional for loop is often better choice for clarity. Comprehensions are like designed to build new collections, not to perform actions like printing to the console, modifying external variables or logging. Then exception handling. We cannot directly use try except block within the comprehension syntax. For this, you must wrap the problematic logic in a separate helper function and call that function within the comprehension. Then memory consumption. Comprehensions build the entire resulting collection in memory at once, which creates an issue when working with the extremely large dataset. Then multiple operations. Comprehensions are limited to a single expression and optional conditions. If you need to perform multiple sequential statements or complex conditional logics, a standard for loop is more appropriate and flexible. And lack of flexibility. You cannot use control flow statements like break, continue or return within a comprehension.